Folks, I'm just going to be showing you my foxgloves here. This is part 3. These are sown at the beginning of this year. As you can see, looking really healthy. And what I'm going to be doing is just planting a few of these. Show you where I plant them and how to plant them. So, as you can see, I think these are white ones. Anyway, I'll find out next year. You plant them, sow them the first spring, plant them that summer, and then they flower the following spring, the following summer. So, let's get cracking. Right, they do like partial shade because they are tend to be a marginal woodland plant. So here we go. When you're planting them, you want to make sure you give them a really good watering. Get in there. I shall also give them a good feed. As you can see, good root structure. Really superb root structure. In we go. Back to nice bit of compost. Turn round all the way around the roots, and then give them a good drink. Give them a couple of weeks, then give them a feed. So that's my foxgloves. I think the digitalis. I think the white, papaya white. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.